Welcome to my channel.
How do beatboxers produce sound? Science explains. Making music with your mouth is such a wonderful thing. Music has long been associated with human emotions and can even help relieve stress, elevate dopamine levels and better productivity. Observing the miracle of our mouth producing sound is just remarkable. Beatboxing, which has been on the rise of late, is an art that requires a lot of practice. Ever wondered how the artists are able to produce music so easily? A new study which was conducted to study the science of beatboxing will put your queries to rest. What do beatboxers do? Simply said, beatboxers have been known to use their skills and craft to produce sounds, similar to that of any musical instrument, using their tongue by either rolling it or even using their own breath to produce noise. Even before, the human voice has been used to generate musical effects and rhythm in various cultures. A recent study, conducted by scientists at the American Acoustic Society, observed a band of beatboxers under an MRI to know how exactly does the brain intercept the change in speech and vocal cords, and we now have scientific proof as to how beatboxing works. Artists, put under the scanner, were found to draw sounds from the human language by using the throat and the mouth, which are also used for speaking, but the sounds produced were very different and high-pitched than regular voice. It was observed that a beatboxer, who used his pitch at varying levels and tempos, was able to produce music by practicing modulation and pitch control. The most surprising thing the study found out was the reason why beatboxers were so effective in their performance. Their notes matched those of other languages we use and hear around us every day, making them a pro at adapting to different cultures as well. Artists use their vocal cords to produce certain noises, which was similar to the ones used in other cultures to speak and communicate. So, do beatboxers make better humans? Referring to the evolution graph, beatboxers, or other artists who mimic or produce music have been found to be better candidates when it comes to adaptability on the social front. This can also help them develop positively as they get the motivation to do better, going a long way to improve their mental well-being as well.